this is my net. Okay, this is a really cool Lego Technic. I know it's another Wicked, and what this actually is the Lego Technic hot rod. Now, this I can just take the box out, and then this is what the Lego Technic looks like. So let's drive it over. And I'll show you all the features. First I'm going to get over here, so yeah, so I can hold it. So here, I also got, this is a 2-in-1. I also got another video of this, but it is actually a different type. Yeah, so this is the same, the same as that other video. But yeah, I'm going to build that later. Actually, yeah, I got that. So this is just the Lego Technic that's on the back of the box. So yeah, you'll see that other Lego Technic later, and it's really cool. It has the engine block on the back. You can just open this up. And then what's down, and then the pistons on this, so you can just move this wheel here, and then the pistons move. You can see it moves really cool. And then in here, so the wheels attached to this gear, which is attached to this gear. I don't know if you can see that, but it's black. And then that comes over to this big gear, which comes over. And then goes this gear, and sorry you can't see it, but it connects into the pistons, and then here's part of the axle. So that just closes, and then there's also steering. This black gear moves, so if you move that, the front wheels turn. So that's the power flip over here. So in here there's gears, which connects onto this piece, which will move like that, which pulls this black ball coming into this, so this opens. Use a black ball attached to this triangle piece, and then the triangle piece connects onto this tie rod. This goes onto this wheel, and then on the top has another tie rod here, which connects from this wheel to this wheel, so they both turn. So that's how that part works. So also drives really easy, has nice steering to it, and this is, I think, one of the biggest Lego Technics I have. Yeah, this is a really big Lego Technic. Yeah, so if you haven't seen it, there's the video of the main one, and I'm going to make that later. So this is the first one. So you'll see that'll come out later. So this is what the car looks like, and it's also the tail lights, the headlights. I think of these 4 things, but yeah, this is cool. So hope you like my video, and I hope you like and subscribe. Bye.